Manchester Councillor Francis passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica Labour Party JLP Councillor Cleon Francis of the North Patrick Division in Manchester has passed away. Links 007 TV News understand that Mr. Francis, who served as Minority Leader 78 in the Manchester Municipal Corporation, had been ailing for close to a month and was hospitalized up to the time of his passing. His illness was not immediately disclosed, and further details surrounding his death was not made clear up to the publication of this report. Links 007 TV will have more details to come in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.